Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a beach day, so I'm about to go to a beach in a neighboring town called Ravenna, and I don't know what the beach is called, but we're gonna go to the town Ravenna, and then I'm gonna go to the beach and just not do anything. But first I need to go get a bathing suit because I thought I packed my bathing suit but I didn't, so now I have to buy a new one, and I'm so over buying things I need now. Like, why didn't I just remember to bring stuff that I need? Like, my skin is looking not too bad today. I got a pimple yesterday, but I love this weather. It's so good for my skin and I'm like thriving, except for this one pimple, but like whatever. I forgot to wash my face yesterday. I was so tired I just fell asleep. And if you hear something in the background, I'm watching OK Baby, because you have to keep yourself company when you're alone. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Okay, bye. So I just got on the train and I'm tired. My face is looking a mess. Like, why are you here? Why are you here? Nobody wants you. Go away. Go away. Bye. So, are you guys... I'm over it. I'm about to sit on this train for 1 whole hour. I should have woken up earlier, to be honest, and just got on the train at like 9. But I was up editing until like 4 a.m. and my body would just not wake up this morning. It was like, no, let me sleep. So I slept. And now I'm on my way there. The good thing about here is that everything it's like hot all the time. So even like as I said, I was up late and it was still like, it didn't go under 20 degrees ever. Like throughout the whole night it was like a good lagom, as you would say in Swedish. I'm still tired. We're now arriving in Ravenna. Like, the train was late, so an hour and something later we finally arrived. That's good. I'm about to get off the train and find my way to somewhere else. Okay guys, I made it to the beach, but I spent too much money. Well, not too much money, but I spent money that should have not been spent. I'm not really sure where I should go. Yeah, I think I'm going the right way. This way. Oh, it took such a long time to get here, and then going back, and nobody speaks English. Oh, and I can't speak Italian, and oh my god. Anyways, we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna try to figure this out anyways. I need to eat something because I haven't eaten today. Very bad, and it is 3 p.m. So I'm gonna go find a restaurant and get some food. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's what. There's nothing much more to it. Oh, I love the breeze. Oh my god. I wish you guys could feel like it's warm, but the breeze, it reminds me of Nigeria. Oh yeah, I'm from Nigeria, for those of you who didn't know. Like when it'd be hot and like the breeze would just come and you're like, ah, so good. So good. Let's see where I'm going. I'm going towards the beach. So all the restaurants are that way. Let's see. Well, let's see. Let's just go look for a restaurant first before we go to the beach because I am hungry. Like that type of hungry where your stomach starts hurting to your butt. That's the type of hungry I am. Yes, indeed. Okay guys, that is a cancel on the beach plan because I'm hungry and there's no restaurant open until 6 and I honestly can't wait that long. I have to leave. So I'm going to go to Ravenna City Center, find a restaurant where I can eat some good food and then go back to my hotel, and then tomorrow I'll see if I could come back to the beach. But honestly, it's such a waste of money. It is, it really is. I'm not gonna come back. I think I'm gonna just find something to do in Bologna or go visit another town tomorrow. Wake up early, visit another town, because honestly I woke up way too late today. Yeah. And no makeup because I cannot handle makeup right now. Like new. But so far, I've had a lot of fun traveling alone and all that stuff. Like being able to wake up when I want to, walk wherever I want to. Like I've taken a lot of walks and really like thought a lot about everything. And honestly, I feel so much better. Like I feel like I could go back to Sweden and just like live my life like a normal human being. This is like, I recommend for anybody that has like anxiety or like depression, whatever, like just travel alone, figure your shit out and go back to your life, and you feel so much more refreshed and more thankful for the things you have. And honestly, you feel so much more positive towards life. So that is my tip. And my journal is full of things like thoughts, because my journal and the camera is the only thing I can really talk to because I'm alone. And I met nice people. I talked to some nice people. Unfortunately, none of them are in the vlogs because I don't want to invade anyone's space. Like I don't want to put anybody out there who doesn't want to be out there. And honestly, like when I meet people, that's not the first thing I think about, like bringing out the camera. I like to be in the moment. I like to be in the moment with the people I'm with, and the camera and all that doesn't really matter in that moment, because I would rather much see life through my own eyes than through a screen. You understand? Yeah. So far it's been good, except for some few things you guys will see in the vlog that I posted. The previous vlog, I don't know when I posted it, but you'll see it in the previous vlog that some things didn't go as well, and some things I'm never going to talk about again, and only my friends are ever going to know, and people who are involved. They're the only ones that are ever going to know what happened. But beside those few things, everything has been so great. Well, and today, I guess, because today was a total fail. I tried to go to the beach. I can't find the beach. All I found was boats, and there's no restaurant open, and I'm really hungry and I'm really tired. So yeah, today was not one of my days, but all the other days have been good. Bologna is a really beautiful city. Like, the place, the people, everything is so good. Like, I would really like to come back with Daniel because it's a very romantic city. And I'd like to come back with him. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Travel, guys, travel alone, see the world, broaden your horizons, or broaden your perspective, change perspective, because that's how we grow as human beings. Look at me being all deep and bougie and shit. Like, who the fuck do I think I am? But to be honest, like, honestly, this has been a really good trip for me. But I also would never like travel alone to a new city. Like, the only way, I told my best friend with me this, like, the only way I'm ever traveling alone again is if I'm going on a spa type of trip where there's a pool, there's like massages, and everything is just like paid for, and I'm done. Like, I don't have to leave the hotel, just everything is within the hotel. Like, that's the only kind of trip I'm ever gonna take alone, and I think I'm gonna do that for my next solo traveler thing. I heard from Whitney and her Snapchat friends that they really like my skin, and I want to publicly say thank you to whoever you are for giving me recommendation, thank you for complimenting my skin, because my skin is something that I've been really insecure about for a very long time. Well, not for a very long time, for like a couple of years, because ever since I started wearing makeup, like, I wasn't doing the right things, wasn't washing my brushes, wasn't doing all that stuff. So I just broke out like really bad, and it left really dark hyper pigmentations like all over. Like, I didn't even need to contour because the dark marks did that for me. So yeah, but I will be doing a skincare routine as one of the videos, because yeah, I feel like maybe that's something people want to know. I don't know, but my skincare routine is very basic, you'll see. Like, yeah, and it's not expensive because I don't have that type of money. Everything I have is very affordable. Anybody could get it. Like, I dropped my phone. Story of my life. Anybody could get like the skincare stuff I use. So coming soon, our skincare routine. Right now I'm just waiting for the bus because I'm gonna go back to Ravenna. Let's see what's up. Supposed to be here in 10 minutes, but anyways, I'll check in with you guys later when I get to Ravenna. Maybe there's something fun waiting for me there. Okay, bye. Where's the say here? Ciao. Good. Food. It's pizza, but grazie. I've never been so excited to see food in my life. And I found the beaches. So now the adventure starts. Guess what I found? The beach. Ah. It wasn't a fail after all. And I found food. It's really salty, but what you gonna do? I was hungry. Now I'm not hungry anymore. I think I'm gonna change into the bathing suit right here. Vlog. I successfully changed into my bikini without anyone noticing. What bikini? My bathing suit that I just got for 15 euros. Expensive, yes, but I just got it because I forgot mine. And I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna go in the water because I don't know if I can leave my stuff. Like, what if someone steals my wallet, you know? I'll just take my bag with me. Yeah. Or I can ask someone to watch my stuff for me. These old people seem nice enough. Okay, I'm gonna ask them. This is the life. Now this is my type of vacation. Lying on the beach, hearing the waves crashing in. Just look at my view. What? What? Guys, I'm probably gonna end the vlog right here because I'm not gonna do anything else today. I'm just gonna enjoy my time at the beach and then go back to my hotel and just chill. Maybe order something to eat and then yeah. So that's it for today. Until next time I post a video. Bye. No.